If you're considering implants, it's important to know that the person that's going to be doing the work for you is experienced and qualified in order to place that implant and get it right. Here at New Smile, we have been placing implants for decades. We've done thousands of implants and restored hundreds of full mouth reconstruction cases. We have developed this skill set to the point where we feel very confident that we can tell you that you're going to have an amazing experience here getting the work done. We can say that from a position of experience, having done this many times. Another thing that is really exciting is that we're now doing robotic dentistry, which shortens the time even more, makes it even safer, even more predictable, and being able to get it perfect every single time. So ultimately, wherever you go, make sure and find out what qualifications the office is presenting to you for being able to provide the best possible service for you, so that you feel really comfortable with the decision you're making. It's a big decision and you want to make the right decision. You want to do your research and find out what types of technology, what types of experience, and what kind of experience you're going to have. To find out what New Smile can offer you, we're only a phone call away or a click away. Come on in and find out what New Smile can offer you.